So I have the knife and let's begin. Only if this cutting and chopping of things were happening very easy, you know. It just seems oddly satisfying, but there's a struggle. Okay, so I see a lot of things. So welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and staying at home, but amidst all the things coming up right now, I do pray to all of you that whenever you're going out of your home, please don't forget to wear a mask, keep a sanitizer and wear gloves, and take all the precautionary measures as possible that might help to get your family members safe. So without wasting any time, let's move on with today's video. Hi everyone, and if you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make all kinds of videos. So in my today's video, as you've already seen from the title, I'll be showing you guys a huge Amazon haul. Like, it has got some Amazon pantry items as well and some other items from Amazon, and these products, most of them are for the precautionary, sanitary and everything, like the essential part. So I just wanted to make sure to give this video and show you guys the products, so if you guys get interested to purchase, because I guess at this point of time the essential commodities are getting more views, and people are looking forward to purchase the right product for their home, for their safety, for their sanitization. So I do hope that this video will be helpful for you guys, and without wasting any time, let's move on with today's video. So the first product is from the Amazon pantry section. So I wanted to try out this one because we have been using the Kissan ketchup for like so long, so I wanted to experiment, and since this one came in at the screen, so I just thought to give it a shot. So this one is from Wakefield. It's the tomato ketchup. So now this is the weight, this is 1 kg, and I'll mention the prices on the screen. The MRP is written it's 130, but I'm pretty sure that I didn't pay 130 for this. So this one is pretty decent enough. It's thick. It's like, I won't compare the consistency with the Heinz one, but this one is pretty good, so you can definitely check it out and try it. So along with this one, I have also ordered a green chili one. So this one is in 200 grams, so I just wanted to, because we already have the green chili one. So this one is from Wakefield as well, and the MRP says it's 50, but I mentioned the prices on the screen, and please don't forget to check out the description box. I'll try to provide all the links possible, because if you guys get interested, you can just directly go to the link and order it. So the next product, which I am really excited, I was really excited about, because this was the first time I was ordering an umbrella over on online shopping and everything. So the packaging somewhat came like this, and mine, few items came like the Amazon pantry one that came together. A few items came like after 2 to 3 days, so it did not come to me like a whole bulk order. So the packaging was something like this, and this one I've ordered it from the Casey Paul and Sons, and I just wanted the basic two-fold umbrella which does the job, because it's rainy season and I really needed one. So I prefer these ones over the fancy ones, because these ones stays a bit longer than those. So yeah, so it does not have a switch here to open, as you can see. So I thought that there will be a switch, but mine. So it just opens up smoothly irrespective of the switch being available to it. So yeah. And there is a switch over here which you can press so that this thing comes down. So I guess pretty much it does the job without the switch, and it does not make a difference. I just hope that this stays along and go on till for a long time. So the price and all, I'll mention it on the screen. I guess I paid somewhere around 220 to 225, and I guess I have paid shipping charges for this as well. So yeah. So the next product which I'll be showing you guys, now come on, I don't use any of hair colors or anything. This one is strictly for my mom, and she wanted to try out the L'Oreal version of it. So this one is L'Oreal Casting Cream Gloss Conditioner Color, no ammonia, and this one is in the shade 200 Ebony Black. So she did not want to experiment with like Gaga, you know, brown and maroon and everything. So black is the forever one. So I haven't opened the packet and everything yet. It says that it has got 2 things to mix it up and then apply and massage and everything. So the price over here is $199, but I do remember paying $169 for this one. So this one is a smaller version, I guess, because this same thing has a bigger version. So net contains it contains 1 tube of color and 1 bottle of developer and 1 sachet of shine mask with royal jelly, 1 pair of quality gloves and instruction. So it has got gloves and everything, so you get everything along with it. So $169. Yeah, so it's written $199, but I have paid $169, which I remember thoroughly. So yeah, that was it. So another product which is a very favorite of mine, like I have been eating this for like, I guess this is my 6th or 7th packet and everything. So this one is Kellogg's Muesli. So I guess this is a new variant one because I had been eating, like this one has got 21% fruit and nut and everything, but the previous one did not have this whole. I don't know if the packaging has changed or it's a new version or something. So this one is 500 grams and the MRP says it's $315, but again, now why I love muesli is that you can eat it in like different ways. So you can just chew it raw, you can just pour in some milk, you can just add in curd and add some chopped fruits and you're good to go. Though this one already contains 21% of fruit and nut and peach, raisins, apple, papaya and almonds, and it has got 5 grains: oats, wheat, corn, barley and rice. So it just does the job. You add milk or you add curd or you just have it raw. So I have got, so since I'm really fond of it, so I have got one and I have got another packet of this one as well. So I'll mention, I guess I have paid like $280 or something for each. So definitely I'll just check and mention the price on the screen. So I have also got another 2 items. So this one is, I have a knife. I haven't opened the packaging also yet. So this one is from the brand called Hapelo, and it says it's California almonds and 100% natural premium. So it has got high protein and dietary fiber, 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol, no gluten and no GMO. So this one is in 200 grams. So for 200 grams the MRP is written $275, but I'm pretty sure I did not pay $275. So since this is a packet of 200 grams, so I also ordered another packet of 200 grams so that we get 400 grams. And this one, I read the reviews and everything, and there were hardly, like, many people had shared the review as in the almonds are small in size. You cannot just grow almonds according to your size, according to the size you want them big, so all the almonds will be big. It's not that case every time. So, irrespective of that, I gave this a shot and I'll share the reviews of this one. But I've already used this brand previously, so I'm pretty sure it's good. So, yeah. So, the reason why I have got this one is because like the coronavirus and everything is going on, it's still on. So in order to maintain a proper diet, having almonds like 5 to 8 almonds each day after you wake up in the morning is very essential and is very crucial. Like according, if you follow a good chart, a good rich chart, so almond is very important for your body. So I would definitely recommend people in investing some items which would give you good benefits. So yeah, I have got another box which I haven't opened up yet, and mind, all these boxes were kept for like 1 or 2 days after they had arrived. and after 2 to 3 days I am shooting this video because I didn't wanted to shoot the video only when the boxes arrived and I had shoot, and I gave that the boxes were lying in my balcony for like 2 days. So I have the knife and let's begin. Only if this cutting and chopping of things were happening very easy. It just seems oddly satisfying, but there's a struggle. Okay, so I see a lot of things. So I have ordered this Dettol liquid hand wash, which I was talking about in the beginning of this video, you know, essential items for your home. So this one is from Dettol liquid hand wash, and this one is again in 200 ml, and the price set is 79, but I'm not really sure as to how much did I pay. So I've got 2 bottles of this. I guess this will suffice enough for like a month or so. So yeah, so now I have got another product as well. So this one is Savlon Surface Disinfectant Spray. So this one you cannot use it on your skin, mind it. Savlon one you cannot use it on your skin. There's another one which I saw. It was of Lifebuoy. You can use that on skin and as on surface as well. But I didn't wanted one for my skin because I already have like sanitizers and everything. So I didn't wanted one. So this one is, you know, you can use it on any surface. Your dining table, your doorknobs, your sofa, your walls, your like gates, the doors and everything. So no need to wipe. So one good thing about this is after spraying there's no need to wipe. It will just absorb in and it will dry it out eventually. So it's mentioned where you can use. So you can use it on chairs and sofas, doorknobs, kitchen sink, shower taps, toilet area including bowl, and mattresses, which is a good thing, car seats, which is also a really good thing, curtains and carpets, and tabletops and desks. So there are a million other things that you can use, so a few of them are listed over here. And this one, I got a good review of this one, so I didn't wanted to, you know, I can't stop anything. So I didn't wanted to just, because since it's a spray one, it will just go on, you know, within like a month or like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So you cannot generally predict about the spray. So I bought another bottle out as well. So I'm pretty sure I'm good to settle down with my essential items. So this and this both, I have got 2 of them. So the next item which I wanted to share with you guys, I believe that it's one of the most important product in my entire haul, you know, keeping in mind the safety and everything. So this, I have ordered some mask, and I have ordered 2 masks. So this came in like 2 packets and everything, and this came separately in a box like this. So yeah, and the mask, you know, you couldn't select a color, it would give a random color to you. So this was a pack of 2. So this is how the mask look like. So this one, so the fabric is really breathable, it's really good, it's not plasticky, you won't sweat it inside, and it has got an air passage as well. So I just ordered 2 and I got the same 2 colors, so I don't want to complain about that. And the strings are pretty good. The strings won't itch your ear and everything. So I believe that this is one of the most important product in my entire haul, keeping the present situation and condition in our country. So yeah, that was for today's video. Please comment down below as to which products you could relate, which products you found it much more interesting, and which products you are genuinely looking forward to, you know, purchase and keep at your home for your own safety and for taking down all the precautions and everything. So please do comment down below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe and, you know, spread love and spread positivity among people. There are millions of people who are still devastated, who are still in the trauma of, you know, what will be the effect, the more prolonged effect of coronavirus in our country. So please spread love and spread positivity as much as you can, and you know, we can beat this up. So yeah, see you guys next time. Till then, bye.